Hi. So in this video, we're going to be exploring the use of characters and strings, all right, to capture user input, all right. Now, if I want to capture a character from the user, I can use the data type char, all right, and let's say I put the variable name as ch. So I say enter a character, all right. Then we use the cin to capture the variable, and then let's print it out over here. And we say you entered. Alright, so let's run this. Okay, so if I key in, let's say capital A, okay, it captures the A and prints it out again. Now, if I run this again and let's say I key in, let's say my name, Ravi, alright, and I enter, it only captures the first letter, alright, the first letter, because I'm only capturing a character. Okay, now if I want to capture a string, that means multiple characters, what I need to do is I need to declare it as a string data type. Okay, and let's put this as name, right? And I'm going to put this here as name, and the printout as well is going to be name. Alright, so now let's run this again. Alright, and now when I enter my name, Ravi, it is able to capture my name, alright, all 4 characters. Alright, but what if I wanted to enter my full name, which is my name and my surname? Alright, so let's run this and try one more time. Okay, so I'm going to key in my full name, Ravi Supaya, over here. Okay, now when I press the enter button, okay, it captures Ravi, but anything after the space is not captured. Alright, so this is one of the limitations of the cin. Alright, it can capture a string, but the moment there is a space, okay, everything after that is discarded. Okay, so how do I capture a full name or a sentence with multiple words? Alright, so to do that, we need to make use of a built-in library, which is a string library within the C++. Alright, so first thing I need to do is I need to hashtag include string. Okay, and once I do that, instead of using cin directly, what I need to do is I need to use this function called getLine cin and then the variable name. Okay, so when I use getLine, okay, what it does is it gets the entire line that the user enters, and it stops only when I press the enter key. Okay, so now when I run and I key in my full name, okay, it's able to capture the entire string, okay, that I have entered. Okay, so this is how you can capture character, a word, or multiple words as a full string. Okay, so hope this concept is now clear. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.